Callers.
5,
Misdirect, please.
3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
I can't cast that yet.
Beware.
Guar, are you nuking the engineer?
Get those billows pumping!
Bombast.
Destruction!
Bag. First.
Enemy.
Beware.
That's still recharging. That spell isn't ready yet.
Disrupt engineer, please.
I can't cast that.
Need to wait until he starts the repair.
Yeah, I don't want to charge through in case he sets off the thing on the boss.
Beware.
Oh, careful, I've got charge. There we go.
Okay, nuke it fast. Bomb bag will give us 2 bombs. We only need 1 each. We need to be... okay. Our side's closed, goes to the other side. Both sides closed.
Beware.
The Fury has broken free! Quick! Get it under control! Warlord, we have it under control!
Chaff bombs underneath, remember.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em out!
Bomb on people, don't leave them there.
I can't cast that yet.
First flag move.
Feldspar. At 40%.
Yeah, but get him in position. Not like the last flag died at Feldspar.
Okay. Get him on top.
That spell isn't ready yet. That's still recharging.
Don't be rupture here, please.
I will crush you!
Beware.
Perfect. First slag. Everyone to get ready.
And burn!
First primal.
I can't cast that
5,
yet.
Chaps, you coming?
Yeah, I'm in there, mate.
You here?
On it.
1.
Beware.
You doing something?
I got off.
I don't have a
Look. Lucky.
Down.
Fire callers.
Beware.
That's still
Go on the
recharging.
slag elemental. Go on the next. Honey. New fire callers.
Beware.
Call out the primal.
Slag
Slag
is
is
going
dying.
down.
Kill the slag, get ready.
Slag is dead. Primal.
I can't cast
And primal, all.
Beware.
That's still recharging. That spell isn't.
Come on, we're slow.
That's still recharging.
Are you on crack?
Isn't ready yet.
We're super fine.
Got it.
Any fire callers?
Beware.
Kill a whole 3 of them, 4 of them. All that's up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
I need to target something first.
5, 4,
I
3,
don't.
2, 1.
Slag, I guess.
Kill the slag.
Beware.
Slag about to go down.
And all on elemental.
Beware.
Not yet. That's still recharging.
Okay. Fire colors.
Beware.
There's a low slag. It's on me.
Beware.
Fire color first. It's gonna be late.
Get ready. And last one.
Not yet. That spell isn't ready.
Beware.
I can't cast that yet.
Beware.
It's gonna be close.
That's still recharging.
Great,
Got it.
move.
Move to the behind.
Everyone, move to the back. Pull everything.
5, 4,
Kill fire caller.
2,
I've got him.
Beware.
Pull everything to the back.
Yeah, so take a 3, but it's on 3, yeah.
Yeah.
If you got melt,
Done
be
it.
sure to be all the way in the back.
Motherfucker.
It's on me. It's on me. Move.
3, 2,
That 2 on you, yeah?
Get away from it.
Yep.
I mean, no, it's 3. I mean, no, I can't see you 3.
I need to get closer.
Say when.
Now.
Go, go.
That spell isn't ready.
Beware.
Finish the slags.
Sonny, you're outraging me, man. There's still a fire caller up, by the way. Right?
What? Where?
You might want to keep.
Oh, God.
That's a very bad melt.
I can't cast that yet.
Yes, please. Fire, fire.
Got him.
Come back. Yep.
If you have melt, be in the
Fire
corner.
color isn't the shieldless.
Still recharging.
It's down. Okay, go on, boss.
So when you want me to take it?
Yeah. Now, sorry.
Oh yeah, and bloodless maybe.
I'm not dead. I've got no cooldowns left.
Cooldown, chaps.
Might
No, sorry,
the
top
boss
me up.
bit. Move the boss.
Chaps, let's move.
Boss,
Beware.
melt on me. Find the corner. Get away.
Who the fuck put that melt there?
Taunting in 6.
Move to the middle of the room.
Taunting now.
Beware.
Chill out, we've got plenty of space and time.
Yep. Melt on Shava. Move.
Move the boss.
Taunt when your
Okay,
key drops.
5, 3, 2, go top 1. Top me up, chapster.
I can't cast that yet.
Don't be too close, especially when I'm melt.
Okay, let's stand still for a sec.
Isn't ready yet. That's still recharging.
Beware.
Can we ignore the slags or not? Heal
Yeah.
urges, melt.
Where is
Taunting.
Ouch.
That spell is
Where are you going with the melt?
I'm just going all the fuck away from you guys with it, if it's gonna keep doing it on me.
You shouldn't be there.
You shouldn't be in front of the boss.
5
Yeah, but the boss
seconds.
does the moves, just spamming it on me, isn't
Melt
it?
on urges, yeah,
Two.
that's okay.
Chill
but
out,
1,
chill out,
taking it.
chill out.
Chaps, watch out. Shit near us.
I can't cast.
Watch it, dummy, watch it.
Taunting in 6. taunting. Now top me.
Vigilance on you.
Good job.
Wood.
Nice.
Wood.
Oh, Balon died. That's a double bonus.
Oh, agility legs. Thanks.
To my furnace! Where are my guards? Shut these
Great. Fucking Nick.
intruders down!
Never seen so much fucking agility gear.
Congrats on legs, Alani. Cheers.
That was easy in the end.